All right. Well, joining us now is beauty and lifestyle expert Nicole Pearl. Hey there, Nicole. Great to round out the show with you. So, a majority of those surveyed believe an inexpensive, even a practical gift is very meaningful. What are some great ideas along those lines, especially when you consider the possibility of a DIY option as well?
There are so many fun ways that you can celebrate, and it's even more meaningful because you're creating memories. So, I have some really good DIY gift ideas. For example, you can do a memory jar. This is always so fun because you can open it up and really remember what got your relationship exciting and going. But then after the holidays, you can keep that routine going, and maybe every day or once a week take out a new memory and it really reconnects you. And I also love the idea of these self care coupons because we all need to really focus on ourselves. So, especially if you're a mom, you could just hand over a little 15-minute foot rub, or if you want a sleep in on a Saturday, you've had a big day on Friday, hand in that coupon. So, it really will keep on gifting back to you. And other things that you could do as a couple to create an experience on Valentine's Day is either to create a vision board together. This could really help align you for where you're hoping your future will be, or you can present a really fun scrapbook, again, putting together all of your memories. So, doing a DIY is affordable, but it also is one of those types of gifts that becomes a memory. So, those are really special.
Right. And it, resharpens your focus on your relationship, which is a specialty as well. And it's not just, couples giving gifts to each other. As many are giving gifts to their children, parents, friends, siblings. So what are the best type of gifts to give a loved one in your life who isn't necessarily a romantic partner?
I love that because one of the big trends right now is gifting one item to all of the people in your life. So instead of feeling like you have to handpick, which can feel overwhelming, we don't always have the time. This is a great way to do it. So you can get a hot pink Yeti, for example, like a tumbler, or you could do some lip balms, especially if you have a lot of single friends. This is a really good way to kind of have that solidarity, celebrate yourselves, because Valentine's Day could be for really anyone. So I like the idea of choosing an affordable gift that works for everybody. And then you all go on a walk together. You can all share that together. And there's a lot of affordable ways to get those, even if it's like at an Ace Hardware or a CVS. Really cool things going on right now, especially if you need a last minute gift.
Right. And great to think ahead too to the use of the item. I think that's awesome. So for newer couples though, it can be harder to figure out what to buy. On average, couples in shorter relationships spend about $200 on Valentine's Day. So any advice? We talked about some cost saving measures when you're thinking of, I really want to wow this person this year.
So I love the idea of turning it into an adventure gift or a cultural gift and really turning your backyard into the experience. So there's a lot of really cool things going on that people might not realize right now. So there's museums offering all kinds of special exhibits with Valentine's Day themes. For example, even the Cincinnati Art Museum is doing a docent led tour exploring love and art across culture and time. So check your local listings or museums. And then for those experiences that we were just talking about, going and moving is really great for a new couple because it releases oxytocin and that increases those feelings of connection. So, like the pickleball date or just doing a workout session, you could go sweat session in a gym or you could go on a walk. Try a salsa class, especially for a new couple, kind of a new way to connect without that pressure because you might have other people around. You don't even have to do a private class, and all super affordable, fresh ways to kind of celebrate, try new hobbies together.
Oh, super fun. Nicole, we appreciate your insights. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day.